Governor Abbott's executive order, which you might be thinking about now, does, yes, put a ban on requiring masks in schools. But right now, because of all the legal cases flying around, rulings, appeals, the ban is not really being enforced at the moment. So Governor Abbott is appealing one recent ruling, though, to the Texas Supreme Court, arguing that only he, not individual school districts, can set mask rules. While we wait on a decision, there's also a lot of wait going on to hear a ruling on Dallas County's attempt to impose mask mandates. But no matter what the decision is, this case is also expected to go to the Texas Supreme Court as well. Aaron Jones explains to us what is at stake.
When it comes to local mask mandates, Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins argues he has the right to issue one if it means protecting public health, and that he's given the power to do so under the Texas Disaster Act. Governor Abbott's attorneys believe under the act, the governor has the authority to issue a statewide order that bans mask mandates, arguing it's a matter of law.
When he issued that emergency proclamation, the Texas Disaster Act kicked in. It gave him some ability to do what he's doing to mitigate what's happening with respect to the pandemic. But it also gave local authorities that same ability to do things, to take mitigation efforts into account, et cetera.
SMU Dedman School of Law professor Eric Cedillo, not affiliated with the case, but watching closely.
So it's a question, I think, at that point for many of the judges and justices on whether or not that is, kind of goes along with what the Texas Disaster Act does and what the actual mitigation is all about.
During testimony, Dallas County Health Director Philip Huang said the Delta variant has spiked hospitalization rates among the unvaccinated and children who aren't eligible yet to be vaccinated, something that's reflected in UT Southwestern's latest COVID-19 hospitalization admission statistics.
The average age of our patients continues to decline. We're treating many patients in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. Even if you look at the age 12 to 15, which is the newest group that was eligible, as you know, only about 30% of them have gotten vaccinated.
Today, Governor Abbott tweeted the COVID 7-day positivity rate has now declined for 2 straight weeks. It topped out on August 9th at 18.72%. Since then, it has steadily declined to 15.76%. States hit earliest with Delta are now seeing a decline in COVID cases. Texas may soon see a similar decline in cases. In Dallas, Aaron Jones, CBS 11 News.